Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about MCX, whether these are very good levels to accumulate or we can see further declines. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about MCX, a small request: kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time on short-term, long-term calls. And if you can pay directly $100, then you'll be able to get 12 months access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out. Now about the company, MCX was established in 2003 and they are the leader in commodity exchange. It is a kind of a monopolistic business as it is the only company that is listed in the market at the moment and is extremely profitable. Their products include trading in gold, metals, energy and agri commodities. It has nationwide presence and the market cap of the company is lower for such kind of a business. It is around 8,000 crores. If you look at the financials of the company, well, Q3 has not been that great. So these are December quarter numbers, and there was a 7% increase in sales and 30% increase in profit was very good. But on the sales front, they didn't do that well. But profits have always remained robust for the company. There's high institutional holding, and it is a completely debt-free company, which is an extremely positive thing to have. The return on equity is 7.5%, but the margins are very good. So operating profit margin of 45%, net profit margin of around 20 to 25%, strong margins, and that has led to higher institutional players getting into the stock. If you look at the performance of the stock has been consolidating for months. So after having hit 2000 a few months back or a year back, the stock is reversed and probably it didn't do that well. So 1700 was a very big support. Now it is below 1600. There's high institutional holding, as I've explained. It is up 50% in the last 12 months, but has been a drag over the last few weeks, and has not been, say, the best of the stocks compared to other sectors. It is currently trading at 30 times earnings, and these are very strong numbers. So these are very good levels to get into if somebody has a fairly long term view on it. So in my opinion, this is an accumulate over the next 3 months type of a stock. I don't see it will just surge from these levels immediately. The 200 DMA is around 1600 rupees, so it is trailing lower than that. So it's weak, but these are very good opportunities to get into. Business will be volatile for next quarter or so. I believe because of the pandemic, things could be up and down. Somewhere they will be open, in some places they would be shut down. So things might not be streamlined at the moment, but from September, October onwards, things will get much better. So this is the period from now till September that one can accumulate the stock, as the market could also be volatile, although it is surging at the moment, but there could easily be a 5-7% correction, and that would be an opportunity to probably get into the stock. May have bottomed out around 1100, 1200, as we have seen currently as 1500, 1550. Numbers are robust, and trading in exchanges will continue. So you have understood that to how things work here. Exchange trading do work out even in a complete shutdown last year, when nation was in complete lockdown. Trading was continuing. So at this point of time, when there is localized lockdown taking place, I believe that things will be fine, and from September, October onward, it's going to pick up even further. So it's an opportunity to accumulate till August and then reap the rewards over the next 4 to 5 years. If you look at the technicals of the stock, then there is strong support between the 1300 1400 levels, currently at 1550 or so. any 10% fall closer to 1400, 1420 could be a very big opportunity to buy, because 10% lower from those levels are extremely strong supports, which I don't think will be broken in a long run. I think 1300 odd levels should not be broken. So if you can buy around 1450, 1460, a little bit lower than the current level, that would be great. 1600 is something that is a 200 DMA. So once it crosses 1600, 1650, then the big move towards 2000 will take place. Currently consolidation is taking place, which may continue for the next 2-3 months. So may stay around here for a few weeks, and that will be opportunity to accumulate. So this was a video on MCX. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.